Tiny house with cottage concept measuring 7.7 meter and 7.15 meter has two different mass composition but combined into one unit. In this mass structure on the left, only one floor function as a surface and communal space such as a kitchen, indoor dining table, and outdoor dining area or barbecue. In the mass composition on the right, which consists of two floors, is function as a family room and bed. The family room is on the first floor and the bed is on the top floor. General building materials with exposed wood like this with a combination of aluminum or steel frames like this in window and door openings. The general shape of the interior is with the characteristics of the L letter like this, where the large area is in the living room, while the left wing has the kitchen and indoor and semi-outdoor dining areas. The living room area with an L-shaped sofa and table in front is in a strategic position so that almost all the rooms on the first floor can be monitored. The layout of the kitchen area is quite simple, namely with a linear arrangement facing the dining and living room areas with a dominant light wood material finish like this, which gives a bright impression but is still continuous with the general concept of building materials. The indoor dining room is made adjacent to the semi-outdoor dining room area, which is only separated by the transparent window door. The interesting thing about this tiny house is that there is a separated dining room in the semi-outdoor area which is more focused on barbecue activities at night, which is still located close to the indoor dining room and kitchen which is in the inner room. This arrangement is quite creative, accessible and functional. The bedroom area on the top floor can accommodate up to 2 beds at once because this area maximizes the length of the building like the one on the first floor living room. The shape of the ceiling in this bedroom area of course follows the shape of the roof slope with a lumber ceiling material like this. This has artistic value in the functional and ergonomic aspects of a bedroom in a tiny log cabin house. A tiny house that is processed with creativity and consideration of function, access to privacy and security will certainly be attractive and become high-value architectural work in itself, as in the case of this tiny house building. Hopefully, this will all be of benefit and insight for all of us. See you in the next video.